What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of people are very concerned with what's going on with Terra Luna Classic. They keep coming to me and saying, hey, what's happening to Terra Luna Classic? It's dropping. I bought at 0.0002 or I bought at 0.00023. And honestly, I talk about Terra Luna Classic as an opportunity. I know that the long-term opportunity is much higher than what you probably even invested at. But the point is that most people want to see instant gratification. They want to see that instant success. And it's so difficult to see that in a market that fluctuates, especially one that has more hype that's coming up very, very soon. If you waited until now to get into Terra Luna Classic when there was so much opportunity at lower price points, I feel like you just missed a larger opportunity there. Not saying you missed out on the entire opportunity, but you missed a larger opportunity. And because maybe you didn't hear about it, or maybe you weren't paying attention to the crypto market, or maybe you were just very skeptical at that time. Now you decide to question whether this is even going to make a move because it went to 0.00027 or 2.7 cents percent of a penny. And it came back from there. I think if you understand the entire situation, this is going to be worth a lot more. I believe that it will be worth 1 to 3 cents within the bull run. Now, that's basically saying 1 to 3 cents at that market cap at, where we currently stand with the current supply. What I'm basically saying is it's going to be about a 50 to $150 billion market cap. That's basically what I'm saying. So whether we see less supply or not, I think we will see that type of an impact with a position like this. So let's talk about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links that are down below, it does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Rumble, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, don't forget about my partnership with Margex. If you guys want to start trading with Margex, get 100x leverage or trade up to 100x leverage on your trades up to. You don't have to, but it can be up to 100x leverage. Make sure you guys are disciplined when you're doing those trades, but it's something that will teach you a lot as you're going through it. And you could potentially, if you already know about trading and know about actively moving into the crypto market, you have success. Why not do it at a higher scale without technically risking, that higher scale of your money, right? So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's show you where it is. It currently stands at 0.0001756. We're seeing it at a $1 billion market cap with $124 million worth of volume. The volume has come down significantly from where it was. The volume was in the billions. We saw it in the hundreds of millions, like high hundreds of millions. And now we're seeing it at low hundreds of millions again, as well as seeing it maybe even at tens of millions eventually. But either way, within this first half of December, we've seen more volume than we've seen in probably like 3 months combined, maybe even way more than that in, the bear market. And maybe the last month we might have seen a decent amount of volume, but the months before that, we really didn't see a crazy amount of volume. We also saw low prices for Terra Luna Classic. Binance was still doing their burns. Everything that was happening there was fantastic, and we were still seeing burns going through with the 0.5% tax that's associated with it. But a lot of people are now questioning this and saying, hey, is this even going to be a thing? Because now you saw it go from a level, let's go 7 days, you saw it go from a level of 0.00022 or 225 all the way down to where it was at the low of 0.00017. And you're like, this is going to just fall and continue to fall and be worth nothing. And people sell because it did have a larger rise. Understand what this is, right? Terra Luna Classic never was able to see that success of jumping to the higher market caps that it was supposed to be at. I believe that Terra Luna Classic should have easily been in the tens of billions if it was given the chance or the opportunity to rise without the collapse of exchanges, without the collapse of cryptocurrencies, without the collapse of a lot of different stuff and negativity across the board. So we're looking at a percentage of what the high could have been. Right now, we're looking at about 33% of what the high is, right? The high was about 0.0006 but it was never given the chance to go higher because of the negative market, because of the downward market. So if you compare that to something like ADA, which ADA is still sitting at a level of like 20% of the all-time high, we would be looking at Terra Luna Classic at 20% of the all-time high. And we may see just a 5x instead of a 3x up to what we believe the all-time high would be. Now, we also want to look at a 2 or 3x over that based on volume and attention and traction and popularity. And then also understanding the FOMO that comes into a popular play like this. So pushing it over that 2 or 3x, that standard 2 or 3x. So we know that this thing can go to a massively high level. I firmly believe, that this can go to a 1 to 3 cent price. A 1 cent price for Terra Luna Classic may seem absurd to some people, but if you really break down the numbers, you're going to see that a 1 cent price is a $58 billion market cap. Is $58 billion of a market cap a ridiculous number that no cryptocurrency can get to? No, it's not. Is it ridiculous for something that has as much popularity as Terra Luna Classic? No, it's not. Terra Luna Classic has a ton of popularity to bring this to the next level, to show us that we can turn a 500 or $5.8 trillion market cap, 5.8 trillion coin supply, or 6.8 trillion coin supply into a 58 billion or $68 billion market cap. And that's not even accounting for the burns that will factor into it. So if we do account for those burns and understand what those burns will be at a minimum and at a maximum, we can see so much more of a price that increase. But there's a lot of people that question this and only push for it to get to one drop zero, which honestly would be a $5 billion market cap, because we haven't seen this at a $5 billion market cap at these low levels. But that's because it wasn't given the opportunity. So I honestly, firmly believe that Terra Luna Classic will find a way to get to 1, a $58 billion market cap, or 3, borderline $180 billion market cap. Get in between there when you're factoring in only the movement from market cap wise, as well as the popularity and also the burns into it, as well as understanding that right now we are not at 33% or half the value of what we were at the all-time highs. We're at 20%, 10% of these all-time highs. And that's where we're going to see these things push up to a massive level. And understand that most people, there's a lot of people that are holding, 10 million coins, 20, 30, 40, 100 million coins. And that may get you to millionaire status or hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of a level, making you feel amazing about what you invested into the position. I truly believe that that's the case, that we will get to 1 to 3 cents in the bull run. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you believe we'll get there? Do you believe we'll go further? Do you believe that will be worth less? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Also, if you want to check out Margex, feel free to check out Margex. The link is in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.